The dissolved oxygen test measures the amount of dissolved oxygen in the water. To measure the concentration of dissolved oxygen in your river, you will need a dissolved oxygen colorimetric test kit. For this test, you will have to handle a glass ampule. Carefully observe the following instructions to avoid an accident. First, fill the sample flask with river water. Place the tip of the test ampule into a depression in the bottom of the flask and break it off with a brisk movement toward the side of the container. Since the ampule contains a vacuum, it will quickly fill with water. Remove the ampule from the flask and mix the sample by gently tilting it up and down for 2 minutes. Avoid touching the broken end of the ampule with your fingers. Don't worry, no water will come out. Place the ampule on the comparator in the test kit. You can remove it from the box to make the comparison easier. Match the color of the sample with one of the comparator standards. Dissolved oxygen can be expressed in milligrams per liter or in saturation percentage. The latter can be very useful in comparing the levels of dissolved oxygen in different rivers or at different times of the year. To determine saturation percentage, you simply need to know the temperature of the water at the time of the test, the maximum level of dissolved oxygen at that temperature, and the actual amount of dissolved oxygen in the sample. Refer to the table and formula on the physicochemical and bacteriological reference chart.